My first observation of her classroom, she had students doing a hands-on project, learning meiosis and mitosis, and they were moving pipe cleaners and different manipulatives to be able to explain the concept, and the kids illustrated it very well. And my first major in college was a biology major, and I'm not sure I could have done that my freshman year in college, let alone in the 7th grade.
We're doing Western blots, we're doing ELISA, we're doing genetic transformations, we're doing PCR, electrophoresis, DNA fingerprinting using restriction enzymes. This pathway has been awesome.
When you enter her classroom while she's teaching, it's really like no other classroom we have. She is so purposeful in everything she does. It creates an aura around the class of this is important stuff. And we're here to learn important stuff. It's fun, it's exciting, but the students really think they're here for a reason, and this science is something they really get into.
My biggest inspiration was my mother, because she actually ran a chemistry lab and she was in charge of everything. She analyzed for lead poisoning in the environment and in blood, so I was really proud of her. Also, I had a really good 7th grade science teacher, and I had an awesome 9th grade and 12th grade science teacher for biology and then advanced biology.
She's always teaching us new life lessons through stories that she tells us about when she was younger. She's always optimistic, and she's always encouraging us in every single way. And it's not just with biotechnology. I've known her for Science Olympiad and for 7th grade, and all she did was encourage us to keep going, keep pushing ourselves.
It was our first year in the Agri-Science Fair, and I had 5 students place first in the state with their projects, and they all got in the top 10 for nationals, where one did get 2nd place.
A great thing Ms. Mendel does in class, and that sticks out to me, is the fact that she integrates labs and real-life applications. Some of us have volunteered for UD, and I volunteer for various programs, and the lab techniques that we learn in Ms. Mendel's class have helped us work competitively against college students. I think that's one of the most important things she's taught us. She's taught us how to be real biotechnicians.
I like doing this career pathway because I've been thinking more and more about it and trying to make the business connections with the community to see what's out there. I've had kids go to different field trips. I took them to the Star campus. I took them to Del Tech for their STEM Expo. I'm going to be taking them again this year. I want to take them to the Delaware Biotech Institute.
What's impressed me the most about Melanie is that she took on a big challenge by deciding to even take on this curriculum. She was a very successful biology teacher. And while you can know the book knowledge, knowing the lab techniques is very challenging for biotechnology. And she's been learning along with the students. And she doesn't keep that from the students. I think she's a real role model for students of lifelong learning, that you can take on a new challenge and be successful.
When Melanie agreed to come to the high school to start with the biotechnology program, we had to design the biology curriculum. We'd never had biology, we'd never had 10th grade before. We had to choose the biology curriculum, choose what books we wanted, choose what materials we wanted. She's an outstanding educator. She is so passionate about what she does, and it is a joy to work with her, to see her dedication to the kids, to see how much she constantly goes above and beyond whatever is required to make sure that all of the kids love it.
She's a wonderful educator, but now she's had to expand her knowledge to include understanding what the industry standard is in the biotechnology field and beyond. So her professional growth to be able to provide this opportunity to the students makes her a perfect fit to be recognized as an outstanding educator.
I'm really honored. I am very honored because I've been in the field of biology, gosh, I think it's like about 23 years. I attended the University of Delaware and I love Newark. So to me, I'm being honored by the community of Newark and the state of Delaware, and I'm really appreciative, and I really want to work. It makes me want to work even more and make sure this pathway is very successful.